Did things we had to forgive, learned how to fight and still stay in it. Truth hurts less than silence does, so we say it straight, then choose love. We didn't have much